Canva secretly added a new feature back in April and nobody's talking about it. I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can retain your photo's effects when you add a new photo to your project. Let's go to Canva and I'll show you what to do. I have videos that are coming in on a baseline animation. They don't have any fancy photo editing to them. They could, but they don't. This is not a frame. If I right-click this, there is no pop out of frame or pop out of placeholder. It's just a picture that I sized specifically for this project. Let's see what dimension they are. Ooh, they're very specific. It's 254.7 pixels wide and 534.9 pixels tall. They're aligned to the top and left. This one was aligned to the right and top, etc., with a black background and all the animations. Now that I've made this template though, I want to change the pictures in it. Before, you would have to manually size everything, but not now. We're going to go to Elements and let's just type in autumn. Go to Photos. Let's choose some new pictures to go in this. We're going to left click this and drag it. It's going to replace the original one. And when I click on that, it's still going to have an animation. I can replace all of these. Let's just hover over Elements again. What about this one with the coffee? And this one right here. It's going to maintain the size and shape plus that animation. If I scroll back, it's going to pop in just like it did with those other pictures. Way number 2 that I love to use this feature. You can retain your photo edits when you add a filter to your social media posts. This one's really helpful for when you have something like this, for example, where you've got a social media post. Let's take this, make some edits to it. Click Edit. I'm going to add a filter that is extremely obnoxious. The reason why I'm doing that is so that you can see the difference between the original photo and the newly edited photo. ColourPop Outrun. It's very intense. Maybe I don't want it that intense, so I move down the intensity slider just a little bit. Editing Jennifer here. You're about to watch me be a complete idiot. Maybe I want to reduce the transparency. Whoa, what is it reducing the transparency of? That's weird. Let's add a little corner rounding here. It's not doing that either. Whoa. Oh, I'm an idiot. I have one behind it. When I was doing the transparency behind it, it was showing that one. Let's see if it will do the border. Yep, not a bug. I'm just an idiot. Let's add border weight. Let's add corner rounding. We've got this great image that's got all these effects, but ooh, I changed my mind and I want this picture. Guess what we can do? Let me just find a person. Cool. Did you see? Just in case you didn't, we're going to left click, drag. I'm still holding my mouse. Let go. Watch this. I'm left clicking my mouse, dragging and dropping. That's pretty awesome. The third reason I love to use this is when you've removed the background of an item and have added a duotone effect. And let me show you how I did that. And this one is a duotone, a custom duotone with highlights and shadows. Let's just left click, drag this. It's going to get rid of the background and add the duotone effect, which makes it a silhouette. Watch this next if you want to see more fun photo edits that you can make right within Canva. And I'll see you next time. Bye. I'm an idiot. I cannot believe that I did that.